Hello, Technologycrazy here, and I'm gonna do a really fast tutorial on how to control your no, not your iPod, how to control your computer with the Wii remote. So you can play games if you want to do that, you can, or you can open up Windows and play music and stop music, and you get to make the script all by yourself. So by pressing the A button on the Wii remote, it'll do a certain thing that you want, and you can choose. You can download other software that has more options, but you can't necessarily change it. So this is very user based. It's easy to use, and it's also you can customize it depending on what you want. So first, you want to go in the link in my description and download something called GlovePie. So here's the page. 3.0 is going to come out, so in the future you might see that. Right now I'm just going to download the one from RapidShare because the site is currently down. So I just click download here, and here is my GlovePie zip. I'm just going to extract this to my desktop, and oops, I accidentally extracted too much. Okay, extract it into a folder. But anyways, if I run it, it will show you the program, but you need to connect your Wii remote to your computer. Before I go any farther, I need to say that you need to have Bluetooth, and I'm going to show you this on the Vista. You can do it on the XP, and you can also do it on the Mac, I believe. Just not the same way I'm doing it. So if you're on the Mac and you're watching this, go to a different video, check it out. This one's only for the Windows. So stay tuned. I'm just going to switch to my Wii remote. Okay, so now you have to open up your Bluetooth devices after getting and finding a Wii remote. If you do not own a Wii remote, this is completely useless. Turn off the video. Anyways, if you don't know where the Bluetooth devices window is, you want to go under search and search Bluetooth. And you want to choose Bluetooth devices. I already have it open, so now if you notice, I have the Nintendo and then its code, and it's connected without a passkey. So to do that, you want to click add. My device is ready. Now before you click next, you want to go and take off the back of your Wii remote, and there's a little red button on the lower right hand side, and you want to click that. But once you click that, you have to keep on pressing 1 and 2 every second for about until it's all done. So you'd want to go red button and then 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2 until it's all found. And you want to click 1 and 2 at the same time. So if I were to do that, well, actually I will. Okay, so now it's in finding mode. 1. So I'm just keep on pressing 1 and 2. And it's already connected, but if I click on it, no passkey, next. Keep on clicking on the 1 and 2. And it says installing device drive software in the right hand corner of my desktop. Now if you get this no passkey but it doesn't say connected, it won't work. So what you want to do is you want to go to properties and search, uncheck it and check it, click apply. And what this does is it just shows the computer and the Wii remote that it is connected, and there's like some relationship between the computer and the Wii remote. I found out that that fix for it because I've had many people that I've had problems, so I just found the fix. So you want to click OK, and you want to open up your GlovePie application. Now it will say, well, it won't have anything. If you're a real programmer, you can just program right from here, or you can just go to GUI. Now there's if I open up this all the way, there's a button at the very top, detect output to emulate. So it's pretty self-explanatory. This is the thing you want it to press on the computer when, like for example, if I press A on the Wii remote, this is what will happen when I press A. So let's say I want the up arrow. It'll say up, down there, and detect input, and I'm going to click the up arrow on the Wii remote. So when I click the up arrow on the Wii remote, it will go up. And I'm just going to apply that. Don't forget to apply. And I'm going to do it for right. And I'm going to do it for left. And of course down. It has to be connected for this, by the way. Now if I go here, it'll give the script. And you want to just click run. And if you watch carefully at this thing, I can make it move up and down, the same as if I were clicking on the keyboard. Like this is the keyboard, and this is my Wii remote doing it. So that's not all you can do. There, you can actually, even have it so when you tilt the Wii remote, it will do this and do that, and see all these buttons. Each the Wii remote can do any one of those. So you can also open up scripts. If you go into, let's see, if you go into, I just made a Glove Pie folder on my desktop. If you go into Wii scripts where you downloaded the Glove Pie, there's like a whole bunch of scripts here, and you can you can have Wii battery. Don't know what this is, but I'm gonna check it out. I'm just gonna run it, and up here it says battery level. I do not know why it's 132%. That makes no sense, but yeah. So I would have to read the script to actually understand. Yeah. Anyways, just gonna open up another one just for example. I can have iTunes, so if I click on it, when I press A, it'll start iTunes and like all this other kind of script stuff. And of course, you can just make your own too. And there's a whole bunch of games here, so if you have that game under an emulator or something, Need for Speed, for example, you can use your Wii remote as that. So when you tilt it, it will move the car and everything. I'm pretty sure that's how it works. Yeah, and you'd have to read the script to actually know how to work it, though. You'd have to read the what is this? This sort of see-through writing is actually not applied if it has two quotation marks, or not quotation, slashes. That means it's not actually part of the code, and that will actually explain what the code is. I don't even know why I have to explain that. Most people should know that. And if I run it, you don't really see much of a difference. But if you had the application on and everything, I'm sure you could see some difference. Anyways, I think that's all. Send me your programs or your py scripts, and I'll try them out and comment. Subscribe, of course. It would really help. And I think that's all. So yeah, comment on how much you like this or what kind of thing you made or something like that.